Hello Year 3 and welcome to today's maths meeting. It's Miss Everingham here and I'm excited to see if I can trick you with some extra difficult questions that I've snuck into today's maths meeting. So I hope you have a piece of paper and a pencil. That's all you need. Pause the video if you need some time to go gather those things and then press play when you're ready to get started. Pause the video now. Very good. Well done. Let's get started. Say with me, 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Well done. You're getting really good at that. Fill in the blanks. There are days in April. There are days in January. Well done. 30 days have September, April. There are 30 days in April. Give yourself a tick if you got that right. And there are 31 days in January. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31. Give yourself a tick or fix it up. When telling the time, the big blue hand tells us how many minutes past or to the hour. The small red hand tells us the hour. The long hand is pointing to the 4. That is 20 little dots, 20 minutes past the 12. So it's 20 past. And the small hand tells us the hour. It is 20 past 2. Have a go at this one. Very good. So remember, the big hand, the blue hand, tells us how many minutes past or to. The blue hand is on the 10, so that means it's 10 minutes to the 12 there. And the small hand tells us the hour. It's pointing almost to the 7. It is 10 minutes to 7. Well done. Give yourself a tick or fix it up. I'm going to the shops and I want to buy $1.20's worth of stamps for my postcards. £1, I'm sorry, £1.20. Can you make £1.20 with the coins on the screen? Write it down on the page in front of you. Press pause and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. Well done, Year 3. So, did you have this? £1.20. Remember, when we're looking at, there are lots of different ways we can make £1.20, but when we're showing it, we want to be lazy. Let's do it the quickest way we can. So use the fewest number of coins possible. Very good. I really want a snack. I want to buy a big packet of Doritos chips, or maybe a few of them. They're going to cost £4.55. Can you find the coins that you need to make £4.55? Press pause and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. Press pause now. Very good. Did you have this? £4.55. Give yourself a tick or pause the video and fix up your answer if you need. Well done, Year 3. Can you make 124 using the Dean's blocks? On the piece of paper in front of you, write, draw or represent 124 using the Dean's blocks. Press pause and press play when you're ready to check your answer. Well done! Did you have this? 100. There's 2 in the tens, so 2 tens. And in the ones column, there are 4. So 4 ones. 124 represented using Dean's block. Represent 242 using the Dean's blocks. Draw it down on the piece of paper in front of you. Press pause and press play when you're ready to check your answer. 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 2 ones. 242 represented using Dean's. Give yourself a tick or fix up your answer. Well done. Let's practice our times tables. We're doing the 2 times tables today. Let's get quicker and quicker. 0 times 2 is 0 because we know anything times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2? Yes. 3 times 2? Very good. 4 times 2? 5 times 2? 6 times 2? 7 times 2? 8 times 2? 9 times 2? 10 times 2? 11 times 2? 12 times 2? Well done. Did you get all of those correct? Fantastic. 5 times tables now. 0 times 5? 0. 1 times 5. 2 times 5. 3 times 5. 4 times 5. 5 times 5. 6 times 5. 7 times 5. 8 times 5. 40. 9 times 5. 45. 10 times 5. 50. 11 times 5. 55. 12 times 5. 60. Have a look. How big is the jump between each of these multiples? 5. The answer to the times table is the multiple. There's a jump of 5 between each answer because we're jumping up in groups of 5. On your piece of paper in front of you, write down what is hidden behind these blue boxes. 12 times 5 equals 5 times something equals 10. Something times 5 equals 30. Two times 8 equals... All right. Pause if you need more time or press play when you're ready to check your answer. 12 fives are 60. 5 times something equals 10. 5 groups of something equals 10. I can swap and do the opposite of times, which is divide, to work out my answer. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So 5 times 2 equals 10. Well done. Something times 5 equals 30. 30 divided into 5 equal groups equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. Well done. Last one, 2 groups of 8. 2 times 8. 2 lots of 8 equals 16. I can't trick some of you. Wow. Okay. Let's add the tens column and then the ones column. Pause the video and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. Well done. Did you get the same as me? Add the tens first. 8 tens plus 1 10. 80 plus 10 equals 90. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 90 plus 9 equals 99, and that's our answer. 3 times 8 in an array. Can you remember what an array is? It's a picture to represent a times table. Can you draw 3 times 8 in an array? Off you go. Press pause and press play when you're ready to check your answer. I have 3 groups of 8 here. 1 group of 8. 2 groups of 8. And 3 groups of 8. I can also show 8 groups of 3. On your array now, circle 8 groups of 3. Press play, press pause, and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. Well done. Did your picture look like this? I have circled in red 8 groups of 3. We had the same number of hearts, whether there's 3 groups of 8 or 8 groups of 3, but it's just a different way of representing the times table or the number of hearts. Write down the 2 times tables represented in this array. Press pause and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. The first one I've shown in red, 2 groups of 3. 3 circles in each group. The second times table is in green. I have 3 groups of 2 equals 6. Have a go at this one now. Show the 2 times tables by circling the triangles in the array. Press pause and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. First, I have 3 groups of 4. 3 groups with 4 triangles in each group equals 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 groups of 3 triangles equals 12 triangles in total. Well, Year 3, thank you so much. We've reached the end of our maths meeting today. Thank you for your really hard work, and I'll see you again in 2 days. Have a great day.